Okay. Look. Damn, it feels like I'm slipping again. Walking this path will only lead to a blistering end. Matter of time before I start getting distant again. My vice is so strong, my friends become victims of them. That's why I'm getting dragged down, and it's easy for me to lose sight. On the night I was born, there were clouds covering up the moonlight. That's about as much as I assume, like none of the days that have determined my journey were ever too bright. Nah, look, you can't imagine how it hurt my mind. Gets worse with time until my last resort is just to sit in line, curse the sky. But I think that's probably why I'm headed where the serpent lies. But when the winds are feeling worthless, then the effort isn't worth the time. At certain times my head can be found between the earth and sky, but other times I'll fall and watch the surface rise. Yo, come and rescue me. I think I need somebody to save my heart, to show a little light when I find that the way is dark, and try to stick around so I don't have to play a part. But that's usually when they say it ain't easy to love you. Yo.